believe that a car this beautiful was announced 25 years ago. Right here, we've got a Carrera GT. We refinished it in a really nice blue color from Inazitech. This is actually a wrap, it's not paint, but it looks like paint. We put our signature titanium exhaust system on it, and we lowered it on KW coilovers with a 4-corner lift. Now, I want to talk really quickly about why it's important to preserve this car as best as you can in original form. I mean, these cars now are close to $2 million. It has full body PPF underneath this wrap. So when we take the wrap off, if and when the customer wants to take the wrap off, the car is immaculate underneath. You don't have to worry about paint pulling up. You don't have to worry about anything going wrong. So you can get a fresh new look with your car, which it looks absolutely insane, while preserving the original paint and everything else original about it. We also put some custom seat inserts in it to kind of match with the theme. Got this really nice plaid with blue. Looks really, really nice with the interior. We'll talk a little bit more about the wrap. You can see how much detail there is in this. It takes a ton of work, ton of disassembly, ton of assembly to get everything looking just like paint. You can see all the crevices are wrapped, everything in the door. There's no more gray left. You can't see anything except for the blue. Check it out here. Some of the goodies we added. As you can see, even the wrap is all the way here. No signs of any kind of paint if you were to open up the rear boot. KW Variant 5 coilovers, fully adjustable. It's got the 4-corner hydraulic lift on it, so you just press the button and it goes all the way up. Of course, our titanium exhaust system right here. You'll hear it in a second, but overall, very, very happy with this thing. This car's gonna get finished and we're actually gonna send it to Thermal, the racetrack. The client owns a house out there, and we're gonna do a couple laps with it and see what it really does on the track. I've never been in a CGT on the track, never taken mine on the track. He's got some huevos to really actually do this, so I'm excited to see what it'll do. Got the new tires from Michelin specifically for this car. Got the whole new recall done from Porsche, like the $100,000 suspension upgrade. So really excited to see what this thing does. Absolute must on all these older cars is 4-corner lift, so we can get the height we want without having to worry about speed bumps. So got this really cool 3D printed ashtray insert, so it looks completely factory. Press the button, you can see the front and rear go up. So now you got plenty of clearance, and then you press the button and it goes right back down. Exhaust, of course, sounds incredible. Oh, you never get tired of that.
Is this the exact same setup in your car?
Exhaust wise, yes. Suspension, no. When I did mine, the V5s were not available. So the good thing about my setup is it allows me to go lower, which I love the lower look. The bad thing is it's not the newest and greatest suspension. The Variant 5 has a lot more adjustability, a lot more dialing in you can do, unlike mine. But for what I do, I'm totally happy with the Variant 3. But anyone that wants the best setup for the Carrera GT, without a doubt, I think that the Variant 5 with the hydraulic lift is a game changer. It makes a car drive like a modern day car. It's not scary. And then you get the function of having a 4-corner lift, so you're not scraping around. But it feels good. Feels nice and tight. Feels great. So good. I love it. Yeah, it's dialed. Absolutely dialed.
Now, is there a certain color code or name for this wrap?
Midnight Blue Metallic.
Got it.
That's exactly what it looks like and sounds like. So really cool finish. I mean, I guarantee you 80% of the people that look at this car aren't going to know that it's a wrap.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know it was a wrap.
Yeah, it's incredible. And the cool thing about this material is even if you get little micro scratches from washing or grazing it, you can polish it out. Technology these days for wraps are pretty incredible, where it's still expensive to do it like this, but nowhere near a quality paint job. I would never personally paint a Carrera GT unless it's done by the Porsche factory, or it's like the car's got a salvage title and you just want to have a cool project car where you can do whatever to it. But if you want to retain the value, this is the way to do it. You get what you want with the looks. You get a whole new vibe, and you get to keep the car original if you ever decide to sell it or park it under.
I guess that's the name of the game with all these cars within this generation, right?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people, they're always like, hey, you know, you should drive the car more, you should modify, do whatever you want to it. And there's a lot of people that say, hey, you should park it in a glass case and never drive and let the value go up. But some people just don't care. And I think this is the happy medium where you can drive it, modify it, make it look good, and then if you don't hurt the value because you can put everything back to stock without doing anything permanent. So this thing gets my green light. Let's get it parked up right next to these other Carrera GTs we have outside, and off to the races. Test drive's all good. Now you can see this color in the sunlight really pops. It's this beautiful midnight blue metallic finish. Got a couple other Carrera GTs here. This is mine. We pulled it out, take some photos, and then we've got that silver one that just got dropped off, just came here from Denver. So we're gonna go ahead and dial that one in. But yeah, it's really cool seeing all these CGTs come through. They've been pretty much nonstop since I got the car. The next time you see this one's gonna be on the track. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think about all the Carrera GTs coming through. Remember, ours has been here too. We've got it Monterey special, so bye.